I'm going to make some cuts here to show off my new Evolution saw that I picked up. This is the S185CCSL. This is their 7¼ inch metal cutting circular saw. I had a project here where I needed to cut some 1/4 inch sheets. Had a little issue with these tables, so I'm actually going to cut, it's going to be making a 30-inch cut through 1/4 inch A36 mild steel. Just wanted to show the saw in operation here. This is my 3rd Evolution saw now that I've purchased. I have an older S80 chop saw and then their new mitering chop saw. I have both of those already. They're great saws. I thought I'm going to try their circular saw. I didn't go for the larger one. I went with the smaller circular saw. So we're going to try it out here. I've already made a couple cuts with it to try it out. I just got this saw this afternoon. So, like any of their other saws, it does throw chips everywhere, but I'd rather have that than the abrasive dust. And then trying to cut this with a plasma cutter, with a straight edge, it could be done, but with the circular saw, it just does a so much nicer job cutting. So I'll show you here in real time how it cuts. Got my PPE on, my earplugs, face shield, everything I need. Go ahead and get started here. There we have it. So you can see how quickly it cut through. Again, this is 1/4 inch mild steel, and it was a 30-inch continuous cut. So I probably could have pushed the saw a little faster, but I'd rather take my time, not burn the motor up in it or anything. So yeah, that's sure a lot quicker than using a cutoff wheel or anything else. Again, a plasma cutter could have done this and could have done a decent job. For these fixture tables, I wanted a precision cut on it, so I ended up going with an Evolution saw.